Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Sigma Bariatric 27-stone heavy-duty operator chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arm assembly, mechanism, 5-star base, 5 casters, gas strut cover, 1 65mm back support bolt, 1 bolt cap, 1 Allen key, 8 25mm bolts, 4 22mm bolts, and 4 30mm bolts. These bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Now attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 4 30mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, place the arm assembly over the chair like this, slotting into the hole in the rear of the backrest, and securing using the 65mm back support bolt. Do not fully tighten this bolt until the remaining arm assembly bolts are inserted. Insert the 8 bolts through the arm assembly into the base of the chair. Once all bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. You can now fully tighten the back support bolt. Push the bolt cap into the hole in the back support for a neat finish. Now line up the mechanism with the holes on the underside of the seat pad, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat pad, and secure using the 4 22mm bolts. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. With the help of another person, place the seat onto the gas strut like this. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it! Your Sigma Bariatric 27-stone heavy-duty operator chair is ready to use from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.